Which auto-darkening welding helmet is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, UCC Life Welding Helmet. The UCC Life Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, priced at just $19.99. What caught my eye was its ultra-fast darkening time of just 0.1 milliseconds, which is pretty impressive for this price point. If you want a budget-friendly option that covers the basics, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 0.1 millisecond darkening means you won't be squinting or straining your eyes when you start welding. This helmet also provides true color optics, giving you a clear view of your work. This is crucial because you need to see details clearly to avoid mistakes. Plus, it's made from durable, hard PVC, so it can withstand some serious wear and tear. With well over 600 people buying it this month, it's clearly a popular choice for hobbyists. Now, some people complained about its limited professional use, saying it's more suited for home projects. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting or doing DIY work, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's light, comfortable, and does what it's supposed to do. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need something for occasional home use. Skip this one if you're a full-time welder looking for heavy-duty protection. Honestly, for its price, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the budget-friendly feature of the UCC Life bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, YesWelder Large View Helmet. The YesWelder Large View Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, selling for $49.99. The standout feature here is its blue light blocking technology, which really caught my attention. If you're looking for comfort during long welding sessions, this is definitely worth considering. The blue light technology does an excellent job at filtering harmful rays while letting in less harmful light. This is crucial because it reduces eye strain, especially during extended use. It also boasts a wide shade range from 3/5/9/13, making it versatile for different types of welding. With its 4 arc sensors, it can switch dark in just 1/30,000th of a second, which is lightning fast. Given that over 500 have been sold this month, it seems to be gaining traction. However, some users pointed out that the weight could be a concern during long sessions. But honestly, I didn't find it too heavy, and most of the comfortable padding helps keep it manageable. If you're working for hours, just take short breaks and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you do a variety of welding tasks and want something that feels good to wear. Skip this one if you're only doing quick projects or need something lighter. For the price, it's a solid investment in eye protection and comfort. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious welding needs.
Product number 3, Migvon Welding Helmet. We have the Migvon Welding Helmet. This helmet really caught my eye with its true color optical clarity feature, which is perfect for achieving precision in your welds. If accuracy is what you're after, this is definitely worth a serious look. The advanced golden lens eliminates distortion and gives you a lifelike view of your weld pool. It's equipped with 4 arc sensors that activate in just 1/10,000th of a second, switching from light to dark seamlessly. This quick response is critical to keep your eyes safe. Plus, it's powered by both solar energy and a rechargeable battery, making it eco-friendly. It's interesting that it's already gained popularity with over 300 sales this month. Some reviews mention that the helmet could feel bulky, but honestly, the comfort settings and padding make it easier to forget about the weight during use. If you're doing professional-grade work, this little inconvenience shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable helmet for various welding processes. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter or less complex. For the quality and features, it's a great value. Now, if the bulkiness of the Migvon worried you, the next helmet actually takes a different approach to comfort and convenience.
Product number 4, Miller Classic Series Helmet. Let's talk about the Miller Classic Series Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, which is priced at $133. What intrigued me was its clear light lens technology, which offers high-definition optics. If you're serious about precision in your work, you might want to check this one out. This helmet features a large viewing area and offers variable shades from 8 to 13, making it versatile for different welding applications. The 2 arc sensors provide a fast switching speed of 1/23,000 seconds. This matters because it helps protect your eyes from harmful rays without missing a beat during your work. It's also compliant with ANSI standards, which is important for safety. Given its solid reputation, many welders have relied on Miller for years. However, some buyers mention that the price is a bit steep for beginners. I get that, but if you're investing in a helmet for long-term use, this can be a worthwhile purchase. It's built to last and suits more serious welding needs well. This is perfect for you if you're a professional welder or someone who welds frequently. Skip this one if you're just starting out or only need occasional use. For its quality, it's worth the investment. Now, if the price of the Miller Classic caught your attention, the final helmet on our list offers a different price point for more casual users.
Product number 5, TRQWA Welding Helmet. We have the TRQWA Welding Helmet at only $29.99. This caught my eye for its advanced true color technology, which enhances clarity significantly. If you want a quality helmet without breaking the bank, this is a great option to consider. The TRQWA helmet offers a true view of your work area, reducing the traditional green tint that can make it hard to see details. Plus, with a quick darkening response of 1/20,000 seconds and dual arc sensors, it provides solid protection. The fact that it's made from high-quality, impact-resistant materials makes it suitable for a variety of applications as well. It's already sold over 300 units this month, proving it's popular with budget-conscious welders. Some users pointed out issues with the adjustment knobs being a bit stiff, but honestly, once you find the right fit, it shouldn't be a major concern. For the price, you really can't expect top-of-the-line adjustments. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable helmet that still offers decent features. Skip this one if you need something more durable for heavy-duty projects. Given its price, it delivers great value for the casual welder.
We covered a range of welding helmets today. The UCC Life is your budget-friendly go-to. Yes Welder balances comfort and price, Make Van offers precision, Miller is top tier for pros, and TRQW is perfect for casual users. Whichever you choose, make sure it fits your specific needs.